Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Onaji's Kitchen from Auckland, New Zealand. Kia ora, everyone. I hope you all are keeping well. Today we are going to make a very different but very favorite, a very famous dish, and you don't need too many ingredients for this dish. It is called boiled egg fried tikka, fried tikka, boiled eggs fried tikka. So we are going to make it, and I tell you what are the ingredients. First of all, I've boiled some eggs. It's up to you what shape you want. I have put some round shaped, and I've cut mostly in oval or long shaped. And we need onion. I have got two colors of thinly sliced capsicum, a medium tomato, thinly sliced, lemon, and I got these green chilies, a lot of green chilies, and we need a few leaves of mint, but as winter is winter season here, so I couldn't find in my garden or from the shop the fresh mint, and this this is green coriander. I had some frozen ones, so I'm going to use it. Then we need the mustard oil, garam masala powder, pink salt, normal salt, and some chili flake. And I forgot to mention that we need white sesame seeds for garnishing. That's it. Let's start. Let's start, guys. First of all, I'm turning on my flame and going to put a little bit of Bismillahirrahmanirrahim sesame oil. Oh, sorry, mustard oil. Sorry, apologize. Mustard oil. Just spread it in the pan and put these pieces in it. While I do, I'll see you in a few seconds. So guys, you can see I put all the pieces of boiled eggs here in the mustard oil. The oil was a bit hot, so I heated the pan, and then and the oil, and then I have put these one here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the thinly chopped onions in it. Just sprinkle. You can use either red or white onions. I had white onions in my basket, so I just put these one. And then you can put the capsicums. See, it looks so beautiful. The colors, look at the colors. I love the colors. Thinly sliced capsicum, then these, and tomatoes, and what you can do now, just put the heat on a little bit low. I'm just going to put a little bit from high to medium and let it cook for a few minutes. Do not flip the eggs yet. Let it cook, and just you can do the pan like that and put the heat on medium, okay? And let it cook for a few minutes, and then I see you soon. So guys, I'm going to add some green chilies in it. Wow. Mmm. Wow. And I'm going to add a little, like only few flakes of chili flakes. Not too much, because tikka is usually a little bit spicy. So just to give it a touch of this bit spiciness, I have added some chili flakes in it. So I'm going to flip it now. By the time, yeah, just slowly, still need. So just a little bit of, let it cook for a few more minutes. See you soon. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit more of the mustard seed. A little bit of, not too much, just a little bit. Yes, enough. And let it cook for a few minutes. Guys, look at the colors, and once you check if the eggs start getting fried like this color, so start flipping all. Yeah, and by the time I flip all the eggs, I see you soon. And you keep on checking. If they start getting fried, then start flipping. If not, then give them a little bit more time, because it doesn't take too much time. Look at the beautiful color. My God, I love it. And if you have noticed that capsicums and eggs, I kept both shapes, but mostly are oval long shaped. And the capsicum is of long shape, thinly sliced, and the tomatoes as well. So by the time I flip all, I'll see you soon. So guys, this is almost ready. I'm just going to squeeze lemon in it, and then I'm going to dish it out, and then I'll show you the final look and taste. See you soon. So, my dear friends, this is the final shape of boiled fried eggs tikka. You can eat it with the either bread, buns, or naan bread, or chapati, paratha, anything, or bread roll, anything. Or you can eat it just like that. Let me taste it, how uh, it tastes. Let me just, I'm going to eat it just like, beautiful, fantastic, superb, a bit spicy. Oh man, this is the people who like the spicy food, they're gonna love it. But you can reduce the chili if you want to keep it like just mild. Do not put the too many green chilies. Or see, if you noticed, I haven't used any red chili powder. I just used the green chilies plus a little bit of chili flakes. But still, it is, for me, it is a bit spicy, but my hubby is going to love it. He loves the spicy food. You can make it mild with like no use of green chilies, or a bit of one green chili, and you can skip the chili flakes. So this was my final look of this dish. So I hope you like it. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel, Onaji's Kitchen. And I wish you all the very blessed weekend, and stay blessed and safe. Take care. Bye bye.